Hey guys, today we're gonna do a blindfold text message challenge. Both of us are gonna be blindfolded.
No, only one.
Oh, one of us is gonna be blindfolded, and then the other person is gonna tell us who to text and what to write, and then we'll see how close we can get.
Should we rock, paper, scissors, see who goes first?
Yeah.
Okay, best out of 3.
Nah, just one.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ah.
You can go first.
Okay.
And we're gonna text 2 people each. So I'm gonna get Kenny to text Matt first.
Which one? Oh,
This one.
I wanna see if I can see that. My head's too big. My head's too big. Does it? The fade's gone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, firstly, how do you think you'll go? Do you think you'll be good?
I'll bet you, for sure.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Hey man. Comma. We need to talk.
Oh, I sent it.
Yeah, you did send it. So remember how last night we were training together?
And
How?
How last night we were training together.
What'd you do? Is that a comma?
Oh, it was meant to be a question mark.
Oh, right. I was running and I think I hurt my ankle.
I think I hurt my ankle. Sen?
Yeah.
Is it Sen?
No.
Sen?
No.
Sen?
No.
Sen?
No. No. No.
How low?
Okay, hang on. Okay, try pressing again. No. 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 Lower it. I'll send it. Hang on. No. Wait. Okay.
Did it send?
Yeah, I sent it.
Oh, thanks. Stop.
Okay, he hasn't looked at it. Okay, what else should we say? Okay, I might have to go doctors.
I might have to go doctors.
Can I skip training on Thursday?
Can I skip training on Thursday?
Yep, send. Nope. Yep. Sorry, bro.
Sorry, bro.
Can you try send a side emoji? Oh, hang on. Okay, good.
Did it send?
Yeah, you did send an emoji, but it wasn't that one. Okay, I think that's enough. He
Okay.
hasn't even seen it.
Good. Let me read it. Hey man, we need to talk. Yeah, I got it alright. So remember how last night we were training together? Bracket H. I was running and I think I my shoes. Yeah, might have to go doctors. Can I skip training on Thursday? I got that right. Sorry bro, smoke face.
Not bad.
Okay. Who we have next?
Anna. Okay, ready? Okay. How do you address Anna? Just hey, Anna?
Hey.
Okay. Hey, can I ask you something?
Hey, can I ask you something?
What's up? Remember how I
bought
you 4 donuts?
4 donuts.
Do you think you could give me back $10?
Give me back $10.
Send. I need the money.
Oh my god. I need the money. Yeah.
To buy some socks.
to buy some socks.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Dixon. What are you doing tonight?
What are you doing tonight?
You're fine. Anyway, keep going. Okay, just
Wait, what's it? Wait, are you allowed to tell me what's going on? We gotta finish this.
no. Okay, hang on. What are you doing tonight? Question mark.
Did I already type that?
Yeah. Now do a question mark. Yeah. I'll pick you up. It's urgent.
I'll pick you up. It's urgent.
Send. Send again. No. 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 A bit down. Lower. Yeah. Lower again. Yeah. I need more socks.
I need more socks.
Yeah, because she was like, wow, yeah, sure.
Okay.
Jenny just got you socks. Oh, wait, she's calling you.
To pick up.
Hello?
Hi. Do you reckon you could pick me up? Yeah, bye.
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 That's weird. She didn't even ask me anything about the text. Alright, I'm gonna read it. I wrote, hey, can I ask you something? Yeah. Remember how I bought you 3 donuts? I was gonna do 4. Do you think you could give me back $10? I need the money to buy some socks. Oh, I got it right.
100%.
Bahaha, sure. Jenny just got you socks. What are you doing tonight? I'll pick you up. It's urgent. I need more socks. So I got it all right. Except I didn't get the 4 and the question mark right. I think I'm winning. Okay,
I'm nervous.
oh my gosh. This is a fate one.
Okay, who do you want to message? Is it a group chat? Can we do a group chat? The strategies or Andrew and Jess?
Okay, yeah. We'll go. Which one's more responsive?
Andrew and Jess, for sure.
Okay, so Andrew and Jess are her work buddies.
Mm.
Okay, you ready?
Oh my god. You did really well. Okay. Okay. Ow!
Okay.
Oh, it's wet!
Okay. All capitals. Hey guys. Guess what? And then send it.
Did I send it?
Yeah, and then turn off caps now.
Shouldn't it already be off?
It's off now. Okay. I just.
Wait, I'm not screen recording!
Oh.
I'm sorry, hang on.
Let me start again.
So,
Okay. Ready?
mm-hmm.
Hey guys, guess what? Send.
Did I say?
Send. Up Ohio. Again. Ohio. Send. No, you didn't send it. Didn't send it. Yep. I just got back from the doctor's
This is so bad.
and you wouldn't believe what happened. Send.
Did I send it?
Nope. Oh. Okay. The doctor thinks I'm pregnant. But I don't know who the father is. Send. 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 What do you think I should do? Send. Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Did I do good?
Alright.
Oh my god.
Read it.
Hey, heck, guys. Ties, what? Hey guys, guess what time to get you? I just got back from the doctor's and you wouldn't believe why Hallie at 4. The doctor thinks I'm pregnant and I don't know who the father is she was. What do you think I should do? I think they could understand where I'm coming from, what I'm trying to say. Probably must be like really stressed. Oh, how'd you see that? Okay.
Okay.
Why don't we
Next one is Jessie.
my sister's group chat? Both of them are both in it.
Okay. So her sister is Jessie and Jasmine. Okay.
This is hurting my eyes.
You ready? Yeah, it hurt my eyes a little bit too. Alrighty. Hey guys, it's an emergency. Is anyone at home? Exclamation mark. Yep, good. Send. 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 Yep. I'm in the bathroom and I'm out at the... You're on symbols. Alright, say again. Okay, Joe. I'm in the bathroom.
Wait.
Say again. Like, delete everything. Yep. There we go. I'm in the bathroom with no toilet paper. And I just had explosive diarrhea.
I don't have some diarrhea!
Send. 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 Up top. Send. 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 It's, and then say, it's everywhere. And my hands are dirty. Can you send help?
Listen.
And then emoji, like angry emoji.
I really use the angry emoji.
Send. Up top. Send. Up. Send. Up top. Yep. One more thing to say. What should I say?
Kenny won't help me.
Kenny threw up everywhere. Yeah. And spacebar. And we are sharing the same toilet. I'm pooing while he's throwing up. Send.
Doesn't it?
Yep. So there's a up. No. Yeah. All right. It's funny.
What? Oh my god! Everyone!
Okay, read this. Go.
Hey guys, it's an emergency. Is anyone at home?
Jessie.
Jess, come here. I'm in the room. Thank you, Jess.
You're a real one. Come here.
I feel like a homeless. What the hell? Get out of here. Thank you. Thank you. It was just a prank.
Gotcha. Alright, so where are we at?
You didn't even tell me they replied.
That's the fun of it.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, it's an emergency. Is anyone at home? What do? Yes, I'm in the bathroom with no toilet palette, and just had explosive diarrhea. It's in my...
And then thumbs up.
Oh my god, mom should be home. Me, Jimmy, and mom are home. I got you toilet paper. Lol. And my hands are dirty. Can't you send help?
Look at the emojis you did.
What the? Why your hands dirty? Me, why threw up everywhere, and we are sharing the same toilet and pooing while he's throwing up. Oh, that's a good emoji.
Yeah.
WTF, ha ha ha, this is a prank. It was, oh my god, I was playing disgusting. That's the last time you see kindness from me. Aww.
And Andrew replied.
Okay.
He said...
Wait, what? Are you PREGGO? That's funny. Did Matt reply?
No, he didn't reply.
I feel bad. Just usually came in and tried to rescue me.
Actually, you have good sisters. My sister called and didn't even...
Didn't even care about your socks.
Yeah, he didn't care about my socks. So what are we gonna do with all this toilet paper?
Save it for a rainy day. I'm glad autocorrect saved my spelling for diarrhea.
Oh yeah. I wouldn't have got that. I think I won.
Yeah.
It's been like 4 hours and Matt hasn't said anything, but he's replied to me on Snapchat, so clearly he doesn't care about me at all.
This is my dog Kiki.
Yeah, shout out Kiki.
She's so cute. An update on my workmates group chat. Just said I was so confused. Like, are these typos or yeah, they're just very confused. And Anna didn't even question the $10 today when we saw her just then.
She just came over and she didn't say anything about the text message. Thank you for watching.